Hey guys, Robert here with you today from MudBusters. We've got our Pro S in the shop. Now we've got the factory accessory fenders mounted to it. So we're going to be installing a set of fender flares on their extended fenders. Gives you a little bit more coverage than stock. First thing we're going to do, we've got a bolt right up here to take off. And then down here below this fender lip, we've got one more bolt to take off. Once those are off, grab your MudBuster flare, adjust those bends as you need to make it fit your fender, and then grab your two bolts from your kit, and we're going to install those at two locations we just pulled bolts from. Now you'll notice on this one, we've got a notch that actually goes around this fender to give you a little more coverage below. So slide that notch, and then replace that bolt. Those started, you can go ahead and tighten them up. Now you will see here on this inside edge the factory body. So push that thing in and line her up like you like it, and then start drilling those holes. I like starting up here at the top. Holds everything in place nice and clean for you. When you drill one hole, go ahead and put a rivet in there. And move on to the next location. And that is your front installation. All right, guys, moving on to the rear. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pull these two bolts. That done, go ahead and grab your flare, adjust any bends that you need to, just like you did on the front. We're going to rest this lip on top of that tail light and then replace those two bolts. This thing's probably going to fall on me, but it does help to have it up there. All right. Pushing in on the upper section, go ahead and tighten those two bolts. Okay, then you're ready to start drilling for rivets. You start here at the center and work your way toward the back. It works out easier. Start here at the front, drill a hole and put it. Everything up here is going to have the short rivet. We will use a few long rivets on this front panel here. On this inner edge, you may have to reach back behind and hold that factory panel while you're pushing the rivet in. Okay, while you're working with the short rivets, go ahead and drill this hole down here. It'll be the last one that gets a short rivet. The rest of these will get the long rivet. Continue on the last 3-4 holes and install long rivet. All right, the very last step in this installation is going to be back here just above the tail light. You're going to have a couple of these little tech screws for self-drilling type in your kit. Grab yourself a Phillips driver, ideally, and you'll see two small holes underneath this edge back here. Use those holes as a guide and install these screws, pushing up as you do. Be very careful not to over tighten. And just like that, your installation is complete. Get out there and enjoy that ride.